What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be going on a fat bike ride. I think 9 miles, I believe. I am right here at the moment. I'm gonna take this up and then right here go up the Bergen Peak Trail all the way up. I don't think I'm gonna go up here, but I might if I'm feeling good. And then take this all the way down. It's gonna be a fun one, so stay tuned. We got to Elk Ridge. Gonna be heading up this trail. Alright, made it to the Bergen Peak Trail. Goes right up that way. I think I'm gonna film it with my GoPro.
That burrito I ate this morning is not sitting well in my stomach. Ooh.
My tummy hurts. That burrito wants to come out of my mouth. Ow. And this trail's getting hella snowy. Sketchy as fuck.
I've never biked on snow like this before. It's kind of a cool ride. It's gonna be really fun going down. I'm gonna be drifting my back wheel hella fucking in those berms. Not really berms, but switchbacks. I don't know if I want to keep going up this snow though. Cause I got that one-wheel drive on my bike. My back tire slips a lot. It's tiring. Alright. Here we go. Oh, I can't get my phone in my pocket. Woo-hoo! That's so fun. Woo! The sick ass view. Actually, I'm gonna check if my camera's still filming. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, there's shit there. Oh, my pedal. Ooh. Oh, fuck that ice. Man, that's sketchy. Ah, ain't fun. Am I tired? No. A little bit. I should probably keep moving. Fuck. God damn, I got flat. Now I have to walk my fucking bike down there. Fucking A. God damn it. Ah. Fuck. I knew I could hear it.